Hey everyone, if you're anything like me, there's nothing better than a glass of iced tea on a hot day, except maybe when it's got a zesty lemon twist and a drizzle of golden honey. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make lemon iced tea with honey. A drink that's as refreshing as it is delicious. Ready? Grab your favorite mug and let's jump in. First up, let's talk tea. I love using classic black tea bags for this recipe, but you can totally swap in green tea or even a caffeine-free herbal blend if that's your thing. Start by boiling about 4 cups of water. Once it hits that rolling boil, turn off the heat and toss in 3 to 4 tea bags. Let them steep for 5 minutes if you like it mild, or go a little longer for that richer tea flavor. While your tea is working its magic, let's get to the stars of this show, lemon and honey. Slice up a fresh lemon. Trust me, nothing beats the taste of real lemon juice. Squeeze out all that tangy goodness and set aside a few thin slices for garnish. For the honey, I recommend local and raw if you can find it. Not only is it delicious, but it also brings a subtle floral note that just with the citrus. Once your tea is done steeping, fish out the bags and pour in your fresh lemon juice, about half a lemon or more if you like it extra zippy. Next, stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Give it a good mix while the tea is still warm so the honey melts right in. Taste test. Want it sweeter? Add a bit more honey, tart and tangy. Squeeze in another wedge of lemon. Now the hardest part, waiting for your tea to cool. I usually let it sit at room temp for a bit, then pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you're impatient like me, pour it over a tall glass packed with ice and let it chill instantly. Top it off with those pretty lemon slices and maybe even a sprig of mint if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, a homemade lemon iced tea with honey that's pure summer in a glass. It's bright, it's naturally sweet, and it's perfect for sipping on the porch, sharing with friends, or just treating yourself after a long day. Give it a try and let me know how you make it your own. Maybe you like it extra tart, or maybe you add a dash of ginger for a spicy kick. However you enjoy it, I hope it brings a little sunshine to your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want more tasty recipes. Cheers!